In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background image in Webflow. This process is quite straightforward, and by following these steps, you'll be able to create a visually appealing design that enhances your website. First, you'll want to open your Webflow project where you'd like to add a background image. Now, identify and select the specific element you want to apply the background image to. It could be a section of your site, a div block, or any other element that would benefit from a customized background. Once you have your element selected, look over to the right-hand side of your interface where you'll find the Style panel. This panel is where we're going to make all the magic happen. Within the Style panel, scroll until you locate the Background section. This section is essential as it gives you control over how your background will look and behave. To add your image, click the plus icon right next to Image and Gradient. This simple action will open up a variety of options for inserting your background. Here, you have two main choices. If you've already uploaded images into your Webflow project's asset manager, you can choose an image directly from there. Just click on the image you want and it will automatically be applied as the background. If you haven't uploaded the image yet, don't worry. You can easily upload a new one by clicking the Upload option, navigate to your image file, and voila! Now, your selected image is part of your web design. After selecting your image, it's important to adjust its settings to make sure it looks seamless and fits well with your element and the overall design. Focus on two crucial settings for this: size and position. For the size setting, selecting cover is often the best choice. This option ensures that your image covers the entire area of your element, providing a consistent and pleasing visual effect no matter the screen size. With the cover option, your image might be cropped slightly to maintain its aspect ratio, but it guarantees there won't be any uncovered margins. Next, you'll want to adjust the position setting to center. This setting aligns the image perfectly in the middle of your element. Centering is typically ideal because it guides the viewer's eye and maintains balance across different screen sizes and dimensions. At this stage, you can preview your work to ensure the background image appears as desired across various devices. Making these adjustments helps your design look professional and ensures that the visual aspects of your website contribute effectively to your overall message. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully added a background image to an element in Webflow. Feel free to experiment with other settings and variations to suit your particular design needs. Thank you for watching, and happy designing on Webflow.